like, comment, and subscribe.
No long chat. Y'all alone trace.
Watch them a pretend I go like say people are idiot no. I talk more, then jump off in a pool and chain cock them in a forehead. Go suck out them pussy one more. I see them lick them in their blood clot face. I was so. Who said that? Who said that? Who said that? Go suck out them mother. Who's ever said that? Go suck out them mother. What I try to say? Girl a beat the Gaza boss and bust have been parried. No, won't not tell me say.
That's what I mean, I'm
I must jump the pussy clot if never have a theory like this. This is not crazy.
If you jump in that pool, how you jump that pool?
Jump in the pool and my ring bust and my chain bust my face. I bet you let's say my ring bust my face car. You understand? Come here try to top myself in my face, but why man buckle when I blood clot, what them call them street vibes, eh? Whether fever or unstoppable, licking in your pussy clot. You think nobody a fool? See them licking their bumbo one, yes? Or say
We
what?
turn 1 year old today.
Yeah.
And just through that, we go chuck off in a pool and tear off the forehead.
Your diamond tear off your forehead. Tell the people them that.
What is that number no?
At the house on appearance, she gets scary, boy. And if it's killing, I'm willing. I catch him lacking and chilling. I'm about to make me a villain. Trigger finger.
Me not tell a lie. Me never see
that question.
a big dancehall artist who a blood clot song with a big rapper.
No matter the cost, no
And
matter
the
the
song
time,
dumb so.
no matter
I
what the struggle.
dumbest song if I lie me
Who
attack
did it
God
for
kill
I?
me.
Who did it
Travis
for
Scott and
me?
Vybz
Father,
Kartel.
mother, family,
Who said that?
friends, relative, fans,
Who said that?
brethren,
Who
woman.
wicked and cancer? So the youth, him can't do it man. I don't know wicked and bad mind so man.
I know I'm
The
hard.
man must come make a hit song with a blood clot rapper.
I'm here
What
to
the
give
nasty
you all
song?
the praise.
Bad
'Cause
mind.
you're a mystery,
Lord, the
you
youth,
work
man.
in mysterious ways.
Sure.
I'm amazed. Next chapter.
You can do better, I'm gonna do better. Anyway, I'm gonna take out the trash.
Maturity comes with the age. Stitches for stitches, you energy, give me the J.
Yeah, so, it seem like, say, some things still are going out there. Them still up to them bad ways, right? And this is one of the reasons why them love fight against youth them, cause youth them have talent. So they have a new song out there now called Twilight. Go and go vibe with it, people. You see? You know we have to keep the thing different. We not go dwell on the same topic, sing the same thing every day. And you don't know. There's trash in the music. I'm taking it out. Fuck this shit.
We not invite them. Bustle up the car and the bike them. Make us stop, pick up couple item, I lamp powder.
Okay, people, let me know what you think in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this episode. What really happened to Kartel's face. And Deva Bratt. What do you think about his situation? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching the channel.